Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are here again with the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro, and this time we are going to check on the app notifications or the SMS notifications for the wearable as well as the call notifications. I know that you are interested in checking whether it works, and of course, if the quick reply or quick response works with the smart band. Okay, so we have here the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro, also known as the Mi Band 7 Pro. Okay, so we already paired it with our Mi Fitness. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, let me go back here. Okay, so we already have here and we already sync it. Okay, so to be able to receive your app notifications here, you can set it in the app notifications. Okay, so there's a lot of options here. Custom notifications. Okay, if you want to receive messages from apps, okay, we have it here. So we have, it supports Facebook Messenger, email. Okay, so where's that messenger? We have it here. Okay, let me look for it. Okay, we have here messenger. Okay, what else? So other notifications from different apps here. Okay, you can automatically wake the screen when you receive the notifications. Just toggle it on here. Okay, for incoming calls here, you can set it for vibrating or vibration when you receive the calls. Okay, silence unknown callers if you don't want to receive from unknown numbers. You can reply with messages, that is for quick responses, and you can also delay the alert for notifications. In our case, we just make it right away. Okay, real time. Okay, reply with messages, quick responses here. We have predefined responses here. As you can see here, it is in Chinese. Of course, you can add your own. Just tap on add. Let us say, how are you? Okay, just tap on next. Check. Let's add another one. Yes, I received your messages. Thanks. Okay, so let's try. Let's check. Then add. Okay, so we have at least two added quick response here for incoming calls. And as you can see here, okay, we don't have quick response for the app notifications yet. We do hope that they will add it soon with the update. Okay, so let's try. Let's receive SMS messages. Okay, let me try. We have here another device. Okay, so we're going to compose a message here and send the info. Okay, so let's send. Let's see if we will receive any SMS messages notifications. Okay, okay, so we have it here. Okay, it's not complete, not all. Maybe it's due to the limitations of SMS. Okay, but we can receive some notification messaging here, as you can see. Okay, so it works. If you want to see the message, okay, just swipe from top to bottom. Okay, and you can see it here. Okay, A1 demo 1. Finally, it's here. Okay, what about for the call notifications? Can we receive one? And can we reply? So let's try. Okay, again, let's call this number. Okay, so A1 demo 1, we can call. Okay, we can silent it also, and of course we can reply with our quick response here. So let's try. Okay, sending. Let's see. Okay, so we have here, we received the message here. Yes, I received your message. Thanks. Okay, so far it works. As you can see here. So the demo work here. Okay, the quick response. Demo or quick response or quick reply for the incoming call works. Okay, but there's no option here for the quick reply for the SMS messages. I do hope that they will add this functionality for the SMS or app notifications instead of just call notifications here. Okay, as you can see here, for the only works with the call notifications. Okay, the quick responses, but no option for the app notifications here or the SMS notifications. Okay, anyway, let's check it again. Maybe we do have. Okay, let's try messaging. Nothing, just toggle it on or off if you want to receive one. There's no option so far. Okay, okay, so that's it. Okay, let's, as we go on, we'll check other options here for the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro. Okay, we do hope that they will add the functionality for the app and message not SMS notifications similar to the Huawei Band 7 Pro. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this demo, please drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.